I'm Shubha Narayan, and we have with us today Mr. S.C. Shenoy, the Chief Operating Officer, Foundry, Ghatge Patil Industries Limited. Hello sir, how are you doing today?
Good.
All right, welcome to IFEX 2012 and welcome to the Pavilion of Forace Polymers. How do you find the IFEX this year?
Well, if you compare the last few years, this is almost comparable to the GIFA. Okay, there are a lot of improvements have taken place. It reminds me of GIFA in fact. Okay, in a smaller scale, but the quality is improving year by year. This I can say the best one I ever seen.
Which is good news. We're getting better and better.
Right.
Yeah. How do you find our pavilion architecture in particular?
Yeah, in fact it's international quality.
All right. Thanks so much for that. And sir, tell us a little bit about your organization, your company.
See, Ghatge Patil Industries is in Kolhapur, in Maharashtra, Western Maharashtra. We have two divisions, Foundry division and also product division. I head the Foundry division. We make about 3,000 tons of castings per month and mostly catering to the automobile industry. Our major customer is John Deere and the Carraro, Tata Motors. Okay, we have most of the castings are very intricate and not the run-of-the-mill castings.
All right. Now, tell us, how has your journey been in this industry?
Well, my personal interest, okay, I started my career with Tata Motors. I got trained in Jamshedpur for 2 years and worked almost about 14 years in Pune Foundry division. And then I moved around and I joined this company in 1999. Okay, and well, all my almost 42 years has been Foundry.
Which is rich experience in this field. Now, how long have you been associated with Forace Polymers as your supplier?
Well, I believe it's about 10 years since, yeah.
All right. What sort of components or parts do you source from Forace?
We basically buy from resins from them for our cold box process, and we have a very good experience with this company. The quality is good, service is good.
Yeah, I was just going to come to that. You answered my question.
Okay, and the personal relations are also good. Basically, the people we are dealing with, we have a long association with them.
Okay, wonderful. That's great feedback to have. Mr. Shenoy, any industry, if you look at, has its own set of challenges. What, according to you, are some of the major challenges in front of the foundry industry in India today?
See, major challenge is going to be the manpower availability, particularly for foundry industry, and the way the cost of the raw material is going up. There are two big challenges we are likely to face we're already facing, and may get aggravated in the years to come. Okay, to handle the manpower shortage, what we are planning is going for as much as automation, as much as possible. Plus, we have one institution we have tied up with our polytechnics to train the people.
All right. Okay. Is it like an in-house training center?
Not with the government institution in Kolhapur. The polytechnic we have started, and also there is a plan for worker training center in Kolhapur. This is how we are planning to overcome our problem of manpower requirement.
Yeah. So you're saying that if you have a training center and if you can get them trained, then they'll be skilled to work with you.
Right.
All right. What about the cost factor that you mentioned? What kind of strategies are you coming up with, or your organization coming up with, to combat that?
See, there is no ready solution for this. As per the raw material prices go up, it is not within our hand. So naturally, what we have to do, we have to, approach our customers and all that. Plus, we can try and cost reduction in terms of reducing consumptions. Okay, we are avoiding waste and all that. Anyway, these are part of our work. Anyway, we have to probably make it more stringent.
Right. Now, what, according to you, are the future trends in this industry? Future trends. Yes. Like, would you say automation is a way to go for?
See, automation, in fact, our company has started in the direction of automation since 1981. Okay, we are setting up a new foundry close by with a capacity of 6,000 tons a month now, which is likely to come by next March. Automation will be almost about 3 to 4 times more than what it is today. We are going for automatic fettling machine. The molding line is automated, pouring is automated. Only the fettling is today is fettling with the finishing of the casting. We are going for automation.
That can to a certain extent resolve the manpower challenge that we have. So now India is the second largest castings manufacturer, only next to China. How do you see the growth?
No, India is, I think, in the third and fourth place. Is not second largest. Yeah, we are closing on. No, China, America, and India. We are in the fourth place. We are closing into the third place now. We are likely to go to second place by maybe 2020. Or 2016, 20, I don't know, somewhere. Okay. The present requirement is close to about 7 million tons per annum, which is inching towards 10 now, immediate need. And the forecast is by 16 is going to be 20 million tons of castings. So foundry industry has a good prospectus in the years to come. Yeah, good, very good growth.
Okay, okay. So before we let you go, one last question. 5 years from now, what sort of changes do you perceive in the foundry industry?
All the small players probably likely to go out of business. People with the high volume, quality, and then of course the cost control will survive. The small, the cupola, gipola, they are likely to vanish from the scene. Because the more and more the stringent quality requirements are coming, more and more multinationals are entering Indian market. To meet their requirement, we need to have a facility for producing high quality casting. In that direction, in my, right. Okay. Those small scale industries, the cupola, gipola, likely to get into trouble and may vanish in the years to come.
Well, thanks so much for your time and thanks so much for being here with us and enlightening us with all those views. We wish you a great day here at the event.
Thank you.
Thanks.